That is awesome.
Yep. Hey guys, what's up? Stanley King here, Las Vegas, Nevada. Look at that. We've got snow on the ground. It's 2024, January. When I headed out to the riding area, the guys said the ground was going to be super wet and nice, chocolate cake. I didn't expect to see patches of snow. Man, when we rode around, I got further up in the hills after this piece here, and the snow started to get deep. And it was such a cool kind of snow because the ground was wet and the traction was spectacular. But as you got up in the deeper snow, it was super fluffy on top, but there was just incredible traction. I just put some new tires on my bike. This is a KTM 300XC 2023. And I was able to rip through the snow. It was cool. I was a little hesitant at first, but as I got more and more used to it, I thought, wow, this is spectacular. I know it's hard to believe this is just right outside of town from Las Vegas. Check this out. As I headed up this wash, well, first of all, this is the Mint 400 course there, and then I got into this big wash. We usually rip up and down this. And this thing, you know, we can ride up and down probably 40, 50 miles an hour. But to have snow on the ground, and as I went further up, the snow got deeper and deeper, and I just kept thinking, all right, well, I'm going to slide, something's going to happen here. You know, I can't see the rocks, but I just stayed on it. I'm not going as fast as I normally would up and down this wash, but it was so cool. It was such a great feeling. It was a little chilly here in Vegas right now. Probably when I was up here, it must have been like 38, 39 degrees. That's cold for Vegas because we have like 4% humidity. I mean, look at this trail. Is that not cool? So awesome. Normally we ride through this in spring and fall and real nice hard enduro trails, but man, with the snow on it, what a difference that was. This is about where I had to turn around here too and had to go back down. I just couldn't stay up there any longer. I had to stay down and hit our single track down in the valley, which is really good too. I mean, it's hard to ride in summer because it gets so hot. But man, we have the best single track here. Vegas has got some of the best riding. It's just incredible. But what a special treat to have this kind of a winter day with, I mean, look at the sky too. It's just blue sky, sunny, beautiful. Day started out windy and then it got like this. Man, the other guys said, oh, it's too cold to ride today, and 3 of us went out. I am so glad I went out. I'm going to head out again tomorrow. Got a big group ride tomorrow. It should be super fun. And then next week I head to Guatemala, do some riding down there. So all right, guys, well, if you're my subscribers here on the channel, we're up to 7,600 subscribers. I can't even believe it. Just incredible. We've grown by like 2,500 subscribers during the past month. So if you're part of the family here, it's great to have you. I really love bringing you on these rides. This all started when one of my buddies said, hey, Stan, you got to put your rides on YouTube and share them with other people. Just such great memories, and I started doing that a few years ago, and then all of a sudden it starts to really pick up some steam, which is super cool to watch. So, and if you're new, you know, subscribe, please. I put out videos all the time, and they're not just in Vegas. I ride all over the place: Idaho, Montana, Baja, Guatemala, El Salvador. Sometimes I'm over in Europe. So always really cool videos, and yeah, I love making these, so I hope you enjoy them. All right, guys, well, sit back, enjoy the ride. We're going to head up here, and then we're going to hit the old infamous Rattlesnake Pass. This whole area where I'm riding right now, too, this is where they do the Mint 400 race. So some of those roads that you saw already, that's in, I think March will be the Mint 400 again. There'll be trophy trucks going 100 miles an hour on those roads, and they'll do the dirt bike race, maybe right here, you never know. So they have some pretty interesting courses. If you ever get a chance, you got to come out and see that race. That is mind-blowing. Very cool. All right, again, thanks for coming along for the ride, and hopefully we'll see you out there. Take it easy, guys. Over Rattlesnake Pass here. Rattlesnake Path. Old John's Trail. I haven't been on this trail in a little bit. Oh, that's kind of enough. A nice little line right here. Woo! A little bit of ice there. Oh, this thing's tore up. Guess the rain really got in here. Woo! That was kind of fun. The infamous Rattlesnake Path.